initial findings po ng ating chemist from SOCO, positive po yung presence ng illegal drugs, no? Which is methamphetamine chloride. So, siya po in short. Now, on the determination of how many kilos, kung makikita po natin yan, most probable ang isa dyang supot o isang tibag is almost a kilo. And there are about 39 or 40 kasama yung isang bypass. So, mga more or less ganun kabigat. More or less 40 kilos. So, with an estimated value of almost 7M ang bawat tibag, siguro mga more or less 280 million yung bust natin ngayon.
Tapos sir, yung identity po ng mga suspect?
Yung identities sa ngayon, nakikita nyo naman na the crime scene investigation is still ongoing. So, it is yet to be determined.
Alright sir, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Wala pang pangalan, identity. Walang laman, walang ano.
39 lang eh. 39 una nila mag yung
pero may nandiyan yung so, i-ano nyo lang yung progress report.
talaga wala pa.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, ma'am. Boss, salamat ha.
Sir, live parking tayo, sir. Sir, baka may babala ka, sir, sa mga drogista pa dyan, sir. Lalo na yung mga big time, sir, nakagaya nito, sir.
Well, ito yung aking warning time and again, ano? If you will continue to engage in any illegal activity, lalong-lalo na yung ating illegal drugs, yan po yung magiging kahinatnan ninyo. Okay, that is your own choice. So definitely, dyan kayo papunta.
Thank you very much, sir.